Okay, slowly rise to 400 feet. I'm doing... All that beeping is because it's detecting trees all around it. Once it clears the trees, it'll be fine. Okay, still going up. I don't see any warnings. We'll keep going up. Okay, I need to go up to 400 feet. I'm just going to punch it. This is a mission that is in... Okay, I need to start recording this. That's another thing I keep forgetting to do. I'm going to go all the way up to 400 feet. Okay, I'm coming up on it. Alright, 398. That's good enough. Okay, let me yaw to the left until I see... Let me pitch down a little bit. Okay, that's the end of Picky Cove. Let me just... I'm wondering if I can see the tank up there. I see Bowes Mountain. I don't see the tank. Okay. Well, anyhow, the other thing is I want to check that the gimbal is a little bit off. I gotta adjust the gimbal. Gimbal, roll axis, start, and as usual, it seems to want to have to tilt down to the left. Okay, we'll see. Done. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how much speed I can get. I'm gonna kitty corner a little bit to the right. I think I'm flying over the end of Picky Cove. I don't know. Let's see how it's going. And I said it at a range of 2,000 feet I can rise to 500. 2,000, my range right now is 500 feet, 600 feet, range is now 800 feet, 900 feet. Basically, it's all level ground right now. That's why I can't go any higher. 12, coming up on 1,200 feet range. 20 miles an hour, 21 miles an hour. Okay, 1,400 feet range. I said approaching that range, I can climb. And that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start climbing now. I'm going to start climbing 1,700. I'm at 430 altitude. Good. Keep going. 2,000. Okay, I can be at 500 now easily. Keep climbing to 500. Okay. I'm at a little over 500. 2,100 range. 2,200 range. Next milestone I can climb to 550. I still don't see the water tank. I'm gonna, I don't know. Where's that water tank? Okay, well, I can climb a little more. I think I see it off to the left a little. Okay, there it is. Okay, I can climb to 550 now. Okay, I'm a little, 570, that's okay. Okay, dead ahead is the water tank. I sure hope I can find my way home. Okay, and I said at 4,000 I can go to 600. Coming up on, I got, okay, it's now 0.6 miles. That did not help me. Alright. 0.6 miles. It's dropped, it's in terms of miles now, not in feet. Okay, I'm going to go to 600. I'm going to climb to 600 feet. I'm doing okay. 0.7 miles. And gorgeous, gorgeous town forest. That's part of what I'm going to do when I get out here. A little bit further. I am pinned. I'm going as fast as I can, and it's only going 11 miles an hour. I must be really into a serious headwind. Okay, see, I see the tank. Okay, I'm going to go up to my maximum altitude now. I'm going to just say video link is weak. Okay, well, that's not something I've wanted to see. I'm going up I'm going to go up to 680 feet. Okay, I just did that. Okay, so now what I can do is a slow yaw to the left, just a little, just to show the incredible amount. What was that? Oh, I bet the camera was fooled by looking at the sun. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's Mount Wachusett off to the right. But look at all of this town forest, man. It's just unbelievable. It's like, 1,000 acres of 1,000 acres of town forest. All right. So 19 minutes, 50 seconds on the battery. That's an incredibly important thing. At this distance, I'm saying that I need end whatever the hell I'm doing at 14 minutes and come home. All right. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick pan because I really just want to get this show on the road. All right, so what you're seeing here are, well, you see the water tank again, but what you're seeing are these reservoirs, and I'm going to see if I can zoom in here. How do I do that? 1x. Okay, I'm going to go to 2x and pan up so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right, these are some of the reservoirs, part of the Boston water system. The one sort of centered at the top, that's the Sudbury Reservoir, and there's a dam, and that feeds downhill into the Foss Reservoir, Framingham Reservoir number 2, or number 3 rather, and that feeds down into the Stearns Reservoir, Framingham Reservoir number 1, which we can't really see right now, but let me just shove this over. I'm going to run out of time. Okay, there's probably the Stearns Reservoir. I don't know. Wow, I'm not seeing as much as I thought I might see. Okay, there's the Boston skyline coming into view. Okay. And the water in the distance, well, it's sort of in the distance, sort of right below the Boston skyline. That's actually Farm Pond in Framingham, downtown Framingham. Okay, so, and that large building a little bit closer, dome-shaped roof, that's Loring Arena. Okay, and then once again Blue Hills. Wow, I'm pretty high up. I'm trying to do my thing, just see what's going on up here. But all right, but I think the star of the show is the town forest. I didn't expect that, really. Let me just pan down. Okay. All right. So the question is, where the hell am I? And what's it going to take to get home? Okay, there is a beautiful landmark. Yeah, Nyanza. Okay, and then there's also the Ashland Reservoir, I see. Okay, so I'm at 17 minutes. Really nervous about being this far from home. I'm 0.8 miles. I'm just gonna start heading home. Gonna kind of kitty corner a little bit off to the left here. That's let's see, what do my notes tell me? This is I don't know. It's a development. It's called I just don't see the name. Anyhow, it's a development where they built it and people didn't live there for 10 years. Can you believe that? 10 years people weren't coming down. I'm going to drop some elevation, and I see the church. Alright, I'm dropping elevation. But anyhow, people didn't live there for 10 years. It was some sort of an older than 55, age 55 community, and the idea was to, I guess they either couldn't find people to buy them, or they were waiting for the prices to go up, or they really wanted to sell them to everybody, or who knows. Okay, well, let's see here. Oh, okay, there's the pond. Alright, I'm doing okay. Okay, I'm doing fine. I just gotta drop some more elevation. Too high. Get it down to 400 feet now. I can actually hear the rotors a little bit at a distance. Okay, we're doing great. We're doing great. Gonna gimbal down a little bit. Drop some elevation. Here's my home. Okay, 13 minutes, 20 seconds. Alright, and there we are. Okay, I'm just going to stop for a second. And, alright. I'm going to gimbal it down. I can actually see my landing point from here. And, okay. And I need to, I'm not sitting this way, so, okay, I'm at 240 feet. Nice, okay, let me just rotate into my viewing angle. Make sure that I'm controlling this thing the way I want to control it, in case I'm actually looking up at it. Alright, I'm kind of getting there on the, come on down, come on, we can do it. Alright, we're on target. Be interesting to see what kind of speeds I was flying at. I mean, I had this thing punched, and I told it to go as fast as it wanted to go. You know, up to 34 miles an hour, but, okay, looks good. Bring it on down. Looks good. Just come on down. Alright, and that is that. So I can stop the video recording. I think the star of the show was the down forest that just seemed to go on forever. I was stunned by how much acreage that is. Okay, so doing my post-flight checklist, record the power level on everything. Okay, 12 minutes 52 seconds on the flight battery, 48%, 88% on the flight controller. I'm going to get out of the app.